Here's a quick tutorial on how you can increase the speed of YouTube video on your mobile device. Once you open the YouTube app, just select whichever video you want to play, and then you have to click on additional options. So you see those triple dots. When you do that, you'll see all these options, and the one you have to select is called playback speed. When you select it, you have the option to increase the playback speed. So let's say if you want the video to go at 1.5 times, you can do that and it will actually go a little bit more faster. And in case you guys saw, there's also the option to slow the video down. So in case you want it really slow, you can go with 0.25, and in case, as you can see actually, that it's actually going really slow. Now if I was supposed to go by 2x, it will go really fast. And that's how you can increase the speed of YouTube videos on your mobile device. I hope you guys find this video useful. Thank you.